Hi viewers, welcome back to Pallavi Maths Sir. Today I'm going to explain Arithmetic Progression, Chapter 1. In previous session, I discussed exercise 1.1 and 1.2. In this session, I'm going to discuss about exercise 1.3, question number 1 and 2. First question, find the sum. You need to find out the sum. Question is 2, 7, 12, dash, up to 10 terms. You need to find out the sum. Okay. First write the question 2, 7, 12, dash, up to 10 terms. Up to 10 terms. Okay. So here the value of A is 2. D is equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is 7. Minus A1 is 2, which is equals to 5. And up to 10 terms. Then N is equals to how much? Yes, N is 10. You need to find out the sum. So sum is Sn. Sn is equals to question mark. Yes, these are the given things. Okay. So write down Sn is equals to, formula is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of N is 10 by 2 into the value of A is 2 plus N value is 10 minus 1 into D is 5. Substitute all the values to the formula. That's it. Okay. So now 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay. 9 5s are 45. In next step, 5 into 45 plus 4 is 49. Now multiply this one. 5 9s are 45. 4 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24. So what is the value? Yes, 10 is equals to 245. So this is the answer. Next sum, second one, write down minus 37. Same, you need to find out the sum. Okay. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, dash, up to 12 terms. Same, write down the value of A is equals to how much? A is equals to minus 37. D is equals to A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. Okay. Second term is minus 33 minus half. First term is minus 37. Okay. So in next step, minus 33, minus into minus, plus, minus into minus is plus 37. So in next step, your minus 33 plus 37. Which one is greater? Plus is greater. So put plus symbol. 37 minus 33 is 4. The value of D is 4. Next, N is equals to up to 12 terms. Okay. Up to 12 terms. Then value of N is 12. Find out S12 is equals to question mark. So this is the given thing. Okay. Now, formula is Sn is equals to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now substitute the value of N is 12 by 2 into 2 into the value of A is minus 37 plus the value of N is 12 minus 1 into the value of D is 4. Just I'm substituting the values to the formula. Now in next step, 2 1s are 2 6 are. 6 into plus into minus 2 into 37. 2 into 37 is 74. plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 fours are 44. Next step 6 into here minus 74 plus 44. Which one is greater? Minus is greater. 74 minus 44 is 30, which is equals to minus 6 3s are 18, 0. So the value of S12 is, sum of the 12 terms is minus 180. So this is the answer. Next, third question, 0.8, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. Up to 100 terms means the value of n is equals to how much? N is 100. Is it right? Yes. N is equals to 100. A is equals to 0.8. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 1.7 minus A1 is 0.8. So which is equals to 1.1. Okay. Sorry. Yes, 0.8, right? So yeah. 0.9. Your wait, 2.8 minus 1.7 is yes, 1.1 you will get. Then this question is wrong. Just a minute. Okay, we'll wrap this one. Yeah. Make this one as 0.6. Okay, 0.6. This is 0.6. The value of A is 0.6. 0.6. Here also 0.6. Now the value of D is 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. Next, n is equals to 100. You need to find out S100 is equals to question mark. So formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values. The value of n is 100 divided by 2 into 2 into the value of a is 0.6 plus the value of n is 100 minus 1 into the value of d is 1.1. In next step, 2 ones are 2 50s are. It cancel. So 50 into 2 into 0.6 means 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1. Next step, 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1 is 108.9. Now add this one, we'll get 50 into 110.1. Simplify this one, you will get 5,505. So sum of the 100 terms, sum of the 100 terms is equals to how much? 5,505. So this is the final answer. Next, fourth question, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, up to 11 terms. You need to find out up to 11 terms. The value of A means first term. The value of A is 1 by 15. Okay. The value of D is A2 minus A1. A2 means 1 by 12 minus A1 is 1 by 15. So LCM is how much? 12, 15. 3 4s are 3 5s are 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So LCM is 60 here. you will get 5, 12 5s are minus 15 4s are. So 1 by 60. The value of D is 1 by 60 up to 11 terms, means the value of n is equals to how much? 11. You need to find out the sum of this up to 11 terms. So yes, n is equals to formula is n by 2 into 2e plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value. N is 11 by 2 into 2 into the value of a is 1 by 50 plus n is 11 minus 1 into d value is 1 by 60. So which is equals to 11 by 2. 2 ones are 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 1 by 60. 0, 0 get cancelled. Okay, which is equals to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 ones are 1 by 6. Again take the LCM. LCM is 11 by 2 into 6 comma 15. LCM. 3 2s are 3 5s are. Multiply 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. LCM is 30, 15 2s are. Means 2 2s are 4 plus 6 5s are 50, 30, 1 5s are 5. Yes. In next step, 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. So now multiply this one. 11 9s are 99 divided by 3 into 6, 30 is 60. 3 3s are 3 3s are, 3 2s are 0, which is equals to 33 divided by 20. So sum S11 is equals to how much? S11 is equals to 33 by 20. So this is the final answer. I hope all of you understood these 4 sums. Okay. Next, go for second question. Find the sum of the given below. You need to find out the sum. First question is 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dash 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 plus 84. 7 plus, this is in mixed fraction. Write it in proper fraction. Okay. 10 2s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 plus 14 plus dash 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 plus 84. Sum means, what is the formula? Sum formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it right? Yes. You know the value of a. A is equals to how much? I'm writing here. The value of a is equals to, value of a is equals to 7. D is equals to a2 minus a1. A2 means 21 by 2 minus a1 is 7 is equals to LCM is 2. 21 minus 7 2s are 14. So which is equals to 7 by 2. D is equals to 7 by 2. Yes, you know the value of A, you know the value of D, but you don't know the value of N. Is it right? So how you will find out the value of N? Yes, here. And this one, AN is 84. AN is equals to 84. Now substitute AN is equals to formula A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. The value of AN is 84 is equals to the value of A. A is 7 plus N minus 1 into D value is 7 by 2. So 84 minus, I'm taking this one to left hand side. It will become minus 7 is equals to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7 is 77 is equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. In next step, 77 into 2 by 7 is equals to n minus 1. 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones are 11 twos are 22 is equals to n minus 1. So n is equals to how much? 22 plus 1. So we'll get n is equals to 23. Yes, you got n is equals to how much? Substitute your 23. Now find out is 23 because you need to find out the sum. Okay, so S23 is equals to the value of n is 23 divided by 2 into the value of a is equals to how much? 7 plus the value of n is 23 minus 1 into d is 7 by 2. Next step, 23 by 2 into 7 2s are 14 plus 23 minus 1 is 22 into 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are, which is equals to 23 divided by 2 into 14 plus 11 sevens are 77. 23 divided by 2 into 14 plus 77. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 7, 8 plus 1, 91. So multiply 23 into 91 is 2093 divided by and 2 is there. So what is the value? Yes, yes, 23. Yes. Sum of the 23 terms is 2093 divided by 2. So this is the answer. I hope all of you understood this one. Next question. Second question is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dash 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 plus 10. Same method you need to follow. A is equals to 34. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 32 minus A1 is 34, which is equals to minus 2. And AN, last term, AN, you can also call that one as L, which is equals to 10. You need to find out N value, then Sn is equals to question mark. Substitute the values. Okay, first find out the N value using given terms. So An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of An means which is equals to 10 is equals to the value of A is 34 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 2. Okay. So in next step, 10 is equals to 34 plus into minus N minus 1 into 2. So next step, 10 minus 34 is equals to N minus 1 into 2. 10 minus 34 is minus 24 is equals to, sorry, here minus is there, minus N minus 1 into 2. Minus get cancelled. And here 2 ones are 2 12s are. So 12 is equals to N minus 1. Next step, N minus 1 is equals to 12. N is equals to how much? 12 plus 1. Therefore, N is equals to how much? 13. But what is the question? Find the sums. You need to find out the sum. So Sn is equals to, and observe here, in previous sum applied, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But also you can apply because here last term is there. If last term is there, you can apply n by 2 into a plus l. The value of n is 13 by 2 into the value of a. First term is 34 plus L, last term, L is equals to how much? 10. I'm substituting the values, okay? So next step, 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10 is 44. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So 13 into 22 is how much? 286. So this is the final answer. So sum of the 13 terms is equals to how much? 286. I hope all of you understood this second sum. Now let's move on third one. Third question is minus 5 plus into minus minus 8 plus into minus minus 11 dash continues up to minus 230. Okay. First write down the given things. A is equals to minus 5. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 8 minus half. A1 is minus 5. So minus 8 minus into minus plus 5. So minus 8 plus 5 is equals to how much? Minus 3. And En is equals to how much? Minus 230. You need to find, and also you can say this is equals to N. Okay. First find out N, then find out sum. So first En is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of An is minus 230 is equals to, the value of A is minus 5 plus N is equals to question mark, right? N minus 1 into D is minus 3. I'm substituting here. So minus 230, here minus 5. Minus 5 take to this side. It will become plus 5 is equals to minus N minus 1 into 3. Here minus is greater, so put minus symbol. 230 minus 5 is 225 is equals to minus N minus 1 into 3. So minus minus get cancelled. In next step, here this one, 3 ones are, 3 sevens are, 3 fives are. So 75 is equals to N minus 1. Next, 75 plus 1 is equals to N. So N is equals to how much? 76. Yes, you got N value. But what is the question? Find the sum. So sum Sn is equals to N by 2 into A plus N. The value of N is how much? N is 76. Divided by 2 into A value is minus 5 plus the value of L is minus 230. Next step, 76 divided by 2 into minus 5 minus 230. So in next step, cancel this one. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 eights are. So 38 into minus 230 minus 5 is minus 235. So which is equals to, if you multiply, you will get minus 8930. So S76 is equals to how much? Minus 8913. Yes. I hope all of you understood this first question and second question. In upcoming session, I will continue. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching.